Hi, Dr. Mike Hanlon here. It occurs to us that we spend a lot of time in chiropractic talking about innate wisdom and the power that made the body, heals the body. So I wanted to go in today and kind of explain why that's the case. Scientists tell us that when two cells get together, that's the moment of conception. At that point, this is when the innate wisdom is installed into this little union. Basically, that is the power of life. That's the innate wisdom that we're blessed with that runs our bodies. Now, over time, these two little cells become 4, and then they become 8, and they become 16, and on and on. The first thing that really happens after they develop to a certain point, scientists tell us, is that a spinal cord and a brain are set down. So we've got this spinal cord with the brain on top. That's our central nervous system. The central nervous system is the first system to be laid down because it's the one that has to control the development of everything else. Soon, what happens is we have nerves coming out of the brain, out like this, out like this, out like this, out like this, and on, countless numbers of nerves. At the end of each one of these nerves is a little bud. It's a little bud. Now these buds are all connected directly to the brain through the spinal cord. They'll turn into a heart or lungs or liver, hands, fingers, toes. It's all directed by the flow of energy from the central nervous system out. This innate wisdom that resides in the brain controls the development of the body. As after the body has been developed and we're fully formed, then we have to rely on the central nervous system through the spinal cord out through the nervous system to control the function of the body. Now, what happens here, of course, is we end up with vertebra around the spinal cord. Now these vertebrae can and will shift. We've got gravity pulling on us all the time. We're bending, we're twisting, we turn, and these vertebrae will shift and put a little pressure on the nerves. When that happens, then we have to go in, move the vertebra enough to take pressure off the nerve so that this free flow of energy from the brain out through the spinal cord can get to all these organs, tissues, cells, and glands. This is the big picture of, as far as what we do here. And hopefully this will help you understand the flow of power from the brain out to the body and what it is that we do as chiropractors to keep that flow at full force.